The High Court of Zimbabwe has passed a judgment per marriage ya Sonja na SirWicknel. But Ivo Sonja iwe hauna kumbochata. So there is nothing called a divorce settlement for you. Ukuwo Sonja waburisa pachena kuti sisi wa imushandira regaiti ngoti maid wake aiburisa information anga kabadarwa kuti aite spy achipa SirWicknel information yese yezvinu zviri kuitwa na Sonja. Welcome back to channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Woshaya kuti kochiko what happened to loyalty as pampacho ndo paunonzwa kuti marika inokutengera zvese zvaunoda ndo inozoita kuti ite a root of all evil. Sisi Patricia vanoshandira Sonja vaitopuwa mari yakawanda zvachose, vakatengerwa mota na Sonja, vakatengerwa zvakare imba. Hatizivi kuti SirWicknel ivo vanga vari willing kubejawo mari imikani zvakauma, but nyaya ndiyo SirWicknel vatongo pedza masports. Sonja hana chari kuwana padivorce iyi, moyo wake wakatsemuka, ari kurwadziwa zvikuru. Regaiti sema audios achiexplaina kuti nyaya yacho iri kufamba sei.
Was May 2024, and now we're June 2026, and the judgment has been made final. Today, the courts of Zimbabwe decided that me, Sonja Louise Matkanda, I have never been married. I have never been married, which is okay, right? So I said to myself, as like a divorce bonfire, or a relationship bonfire, I'm going to do a mini series where I'm going to talk through a couple of things, right? This is going to be my closure for this chapter of my life, which today, obviously I was wasting my time. So I'm going to do a series, like a mini docu-series, where I'm going to talk to people through just different chapters and different things I've been through. And why I'm mainly doing this is because I really want to help some women out there. There's some women who are in relationships that also aren't registered who are going to be given the same judgment, because any judgment that's made in the courts can be referenced by someone tomorrow. So Wicknel versus Sonja today, tomorrow, could end up damaging or ruining or implicating your life. So it's a very important decision that's been made today. So I'm going to do a mini docu-series. I'm going to talk people through the beginning. And my hopes in it is really to warn women that don't do it. Don't put yourself through all this nonsense just to be told you were just nonsensing for no reason. Why have the kids? Why gather your relatives? Why get the tent? Why even, why not just go around breaking marriages? Why come home on time when someone says come home? Why cook for someone? Why have kids? If you can just be told you did that because you wanted to, shorty. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be therapeutic and hopefully very educational. What's making me laugh is I'm thinking to myself, so my grandparents were never married. A lot of my aunts and uncles are married. A lot of my friends are married. I think that's what today has shown me. It's really shown me that a lot of Zimbabweans, if you've never registered your little Rora situation, and if you've not had a muchato, you are single. Why is someone giving you a curfew? Even if he's paid $20, $50, $100,000 for you, why are you cooking? Why are you cleaning? Why are you listening to somebody's random son? You're just as good as the whore standing on the side of the road chatting up some guy. So it's a sad day really for our culture. It's a very sad day for our history because, as I said, a lot of our grandparents were never married. And I don't know, I think it's something we really need to think of even when it comes to our kids, because I have a daughter. So I'm looking at this and I'm saying, wow, so many things I could have done with my youth, so many things I could have done with my body, so many things I could have done with my time. And I think I also want to highlight some of the things that have happened due to my other High Court order. And the sad thing, guys, for me is, I think this is the part that really hurts the most, is most of my judges have been female. They've been female. So Zimbabweans, we really need to take time to sit down and to think, because I don't think a lot of people contemplate what their actions do in the bigger picture of things. But I'm here to help all those women who are in the same situation as me. So guys, buckle up. It's going to be quite interesting, and I think you guys are going to see a whole other side to the relationship that you guys had never seen, you know. And it's unfortunate that I also have taken for you to settle with me when you thought you were going to go off and have a great time. You know, that was, I actually got this audio on Christmas Day. Imagine. Okay, so it was very juicy for the next 2 years ago. Then he promised me, he's the one who actually brought the word settlement into my life. I'd never heard of it before. He's been a lot of firsts, you know. He's the first person to teach me to go to court. He's the first person to take me to jail. I mean, a lot of negative firsts. He's the holder and the cup holder of. And I'm just thinking to myself, okay, so it was okay for you to settle with me when you thought you were going to go off and have a great time. You know, that was, I actually got this audio on Christmas Day. Imagine, I'm on Christmas holiday with your kids. Then you send me an 8-minute audio talking about how you found love and you're ready to move on and everything's going to be great and you're going to settle me. So imagine that the person who brought the word settlement into our relationship was him. Then I don't know what changed after 2 years. Then now this word settlement, all of a sudden, I don't deserve it. I don't deserve it. And I'm willing to use all type of people and institutions to make sure you don't get it. You get it at my mercy, Sonja, when I decide that you get it. Okay, you can't just, you haven't earned anything in life. You know, there were times in this household, guys, when I'd be woken up at 8 p.m., 9 p.m. and be told I want a cake and custard. Go downstairs and bake. And there were times when he used to have prayers here at 4 a.m. You'd wake up, my post put singing at 4 in the morning, and he'd need breakfast at 4 in the morning. And you have to fry him an egg, and this, that, you know. I'm just thinking, I remember there was a time he couldn't afford his legal fees, and, you know, my Discovery 4 had to go. I mean, there was a time here there were no cars parked outside, you know, but I was just staying at his residence. Yeah, it's okay, guys. Interesting times. Guys, side note, don't do school run tomorrow, okay? Because the courts will tell you tomorrow they're not your kids. Because at the end of the day, the courts seem to be able to tell you anything. A month ago, I went to China, right? And my then nanny, who I loved with my whole heart, people know who, you know, I didn't know she was being paid to spy on me. I didn't know. Broke my heart. Imagine in China, she calls me. I want to say good morning to my kids in the morning. The phone cuts. It calls back, and I hear her gossip about me for 17 minutes with the security. Right. And I remember thinking to myself, you know, all this time I couldn't quite put my finger on how information was disseminating, but it now made sense, right? So, but I mean, to be honest with you, the guy's friends had been telling me for years that my maids were paid to stalk me and give him updates and all this stuff, right? Which is fine. So now I find out that's how the information's moving from the house. You know, she tells the security guards tell him. And then even before I came back, I mean, he wanted to get me arrested, right? So yeah, I think he wanted to get me arrested at the airport. That's what he really wanted. And funny enough, something just told me to tell his guys at the airport that I wasn't coming back that day. But as soon as I got here, they were calling again, is she there? And I think they wanted to pick me up at home, but I was elsewhere. So I'm just thinking to myself, so if you're gonna say you were never married, why put yourself through all of that? Why am I being stalked? Why am I being followed? Why are your kids' lives always being disrupted because you're paying someone to stalk me? They get caught, they have to get fired. I really don't understand. But that's the kind of juiciness that I think some of these series will have. And obviously I'll get into a little more of the detail. Like, those of you might actually be shocked to know that after he got me arrested, he actually called me. So, I mean, it's about to be very juicy for the next few days.
Inyaya inorwadza iri kutaurwa naSonja makore ese akawesta aina SirWicknel zvangonzi wanga usiri muchato woshaya kuti zvino vanogorwirei zvavo nyaya dzevana ivo vasiri kapu zvachose. Vamwe vakati tisuka taiti go Sonja iko zvino pane mari yawanga wapromiswa iya uchazopuwa chii pazviri. Vamwe vari kuti what I know every dog has its day. You might be above the law, nhasi, but mangwana Mwari vega vachakuratidza kuti who is above the law. Customary marriage nhasi yakunzi it's not a marriage. Kune vamwe because of money. Vamwe vonzi customary marriage is recognized. Sonia Mwari avadakwe. Ichokwadi, the last time I checked, customary wedding or marriage yaito recognizewa kwaingonzi unouya nelist dzako dzemaroro zvobva zvangoregisterwa sekutoti you are married, nyaya dzototanga kuenderera mberi. But all of a sudden nekuti SirWicknel ndo vari mazviri kuri kunzi customary marriage is not a marriage, saka Sonia was never married and she's getting nothing out of it. For those of us divorced, we have been through this, and chandinoziva is one day she will thank God it turned out to be like this. The way he treated her as a mai vana vake and his relatives, some of us lived through it and came out on the other side. It's good she must mourn the loss of her marriage because she's a normal human being. Wicknel should learn from the likes of Anna Philip Chiyangwa, who left the house and started his own life. De Sonia ita ke abroad nevana unotanga new life kurene mepo zakadai isusu taingoti Sonia manya kumakoti without knowing the full picture. Tine urombo, but yes, ichokwadi hapana muchato maifanira kuenda kudare kwa mambo, not uko kwa makaenda. Sue your legal team, chii chavaita kutambisira nguva vachikutambisa bhora risina mweya. So ndo mafungiro evamwewo vari kuti aiwaka nyaya iripo ndeyekuti wanga usitorina kuroorwa zvechokwadi. Tingaseke zvedu kasi nothing is as painful as being betrayed by someone you fed from your hands. Inguva chete, and kana uri mukadzi you can feel a pain. Sisi paiti avo vanorwara havo kasi vakazvikanyira havo. No one will ever trust her, she will find no peace. My journey will heal and move on at some point. Mwara avakotsera havo, and those kids will always be loyal to their mom. Big hugs. Nyaya yasisi vanoshanda avo vachiburitsa information ya Sonia vachipa kuna SirWicknel inyaya yakaipisisa fani. Kana uchishanda mumba mevanhu, mind your own hokoso. Zvakangopusa kungoti chero master vakauya vakakuti aiwa ndokumbiro uspaye udaye, it is none of your business. Unongoti nini ndiri loyal kuvana ndo vandiri pano kuti ndishandire. Iye kuzoburitsa information zvino basa rinobva rapera. Unoti SirWicknel ndo pavachakuitira chimwe chiyiko. Ndiri inika vana hafu vakavaona. Mutemo wakapaswa manje apa unotoradza kuti kids itori evidence iyoyo kuti pane marriage. Wondiudza biscuits and buns enda unoita mwana newauri married to. Zviri pachena kuti money power ndo yashanda. Sonia ari kurwadziwa akati majaji hangu angari vanhu vechikadzi vakonewa seiko kuona nyaya iyi. Ndopa unongoona kuti hey, nyaya iyi kai zvakangoma hazvo for now. Sonia dai atombonyara hake and deal with your issues behind social media. Nekuti Wicknel is not backing off anytime soon. Achatotanga kukutsvakira dzimwe nyaya unotozonyudziwa sevamwe vakazonyora ana Mary. Vanhu kana mashanda mese mukatenga maassets togara kuudzai kuti chatai kukoti hamuteereri. Muchikudza zvemajava zvisina protection yakasimba. Chatai kukoti muzikamwe as legally married nekuti customary is not recognized out of Zimbabwe. Kunze kwenyika munenge muchinzi mapartners, saka zvishande pamaassets. Sonia ngaachingoteramira woita co-parenting. She's lucky kuti baba loves his kids, saka chero iye financially anenge angoriwo well taken care of. Panongotumidzigwawo mari yevana ipapo iwe wotongobatawo zvakadaro. Guys, zvakauma manetizens ari kungoti takazvitaura kuti dya mari unyerere. This marriage is not recognized. Zvokuti ungada 50-50% shares. Vanhu mukashandisa mafeelings muchimuhypa. Chiona imanje iko zvino asara asina kana dora raawana. Ingwa inorwadza for Sonia. Asi these two mami shall pass. Ndo zvinoita varume, ndo zvinoita dzimba. Pakaipa.